Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger, stock number 6317. This ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder diesel turbo engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch mag wheel, good tyre. Front bonnet, no dents. Left rear factory alloy mag, good tyre. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear factory 17-inch mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.